inner offering to set up. Inner offering. Inner offering. Outer offering. Peaceful offering. Wrathful offering. Why? The significance, I will explain. The real offering that a Dharma protector wants is for you to transform your mind. When your mind transforms, you become more patient. You control your speech. You control your motivation. You transform your anger. You let go of your indulgences and more indulge. Stop making Dharma. Stop using your indulgences as an excuse to do less Dharma. You should use Dharma to excuse yourself from indulgences. That is very important. We always say, I've got family, I'm not healthy, I don't have enough money, I've got no time, I've got kids, that's why I can't attend Dharma, that's why I can't pray, that's why I can't do Dharma work. We always do that. And you know what's sad about that? It is true, but you dug your own hole. So when you indulge in that further, you create even further karma in future lives to have even more of those problems. Even more. So you don't have kids? Of course you do. You don't have jobs? You don't have bills? Of course you do. Of course. But to say it very bluntly, as I said earlier, you created your problems. You asked for it. You looked for it. You begged for it. You even did pujas to have it. You even used pujas to have it. Imagine you'll solicit the holy Buddhas and spend thousands of dollars to have more problems. You prayed for it. You didn't know you're not bad. You thought that's going to make you happy. You thought that's going to be the object of your happiness. You're not bad at all. No. But if you think about it on a big scale, that's what we've been doing. So now we should stop using indulgences as an excuse to stop Dharma practice or lessen or not do. We should use the Dharma practice to our indulgences. We should start that. We should reach the next level of our practice. How old are we? The time you have left to live, as I always like to say, is much less than the time you have already lived. The time you have lived is that long. The time you have left is that long. The time that you have left is much less than the time you have lived. What else do you want to achieve and accomplish? What else is left? Your body is already a minefield of disease. Spirits and epidemics and all types of illnesses are surrounding you, and ghosts just waiting to disturb you. Your own anger and your own passions and your own desires and your own pride and ego burns away at you and makes you act and talk to people that you regret later and you're ashamed of later. You're overwhelmed by these things every day, all day. So when do you say to your indulgences, no, I've got to do Dharma practice now? When? Some people find drinking, gossiping, staring at beautiful women is more beneficial than listening to Dharma or doing meditations and practice. Some people have that delusion. So, do we want to spend the rest of our... Look at ourselves. Look at our skin. Look at our body. Look at our health. Do we want to spend the rest of our life just doing what we've been doing for the last 20, 30 years? There's nothing to celebrate. So, a balance is necessary. A balance. A midpoint. I'm teaching you Satrap's practice, not for you to focus on him. I'm teaching you Satrap's practice to help you overcome the difficulties you experience in daily life so that you can do Dharma practice. Financial problems, devote yourself to Satrap. Financial problems, devote yourself to Satrap. That's contradictory to what I said earlier. What does that mean? So that you can do Dharma. If your motivation is to indulge in more indulgences and then you pray to Satrap, chances are very unlikely you'll get assistance. Very unlikely. What enlightened being will assist you to indulge in your indulgences and more negativity even more? That's not a Dharma protector. He doesn't protect you. He's not helping you. You want Dharma? I give you Dharma. Or do you want us to get together and do a few nice chantings and a few tunes and exotic instruments, like what some of the Tibetan people come here and do, the monks? Then I hop up and down in some exotic, black hat dance, wave the 5-color katas at you. Is that what you want? Or do you want the Dharma? I'm giving you the Dharma. Straight and clear. And you know, if you actually listen to it, you open your heart and listen to it, you say, there's some truth in it.